twice last night. I gave up at 7 o'clock this morning. I've had an extra 3 hours. I think that makes a total of maybe 7 over 12 hours. But Tanny has decided that today is the day he wants to try chili cheese hot dogs. Tanny's not a spicy person. I have to make the chili myself. Just as well, I'm a smarty pants and I water bath my own chili base. That is Tanny friendly. I also have some tomato base that I've had in the fridge for a while, which I made myself, which haven't got around to water bathing, but that looks sealed. Okay. The other thing I have is an onion I already started and one that I haven't started. We bought the meat home, which is good because it doesn't come out of our food budget because, you know. And I'm using this. Don't come at me. I know it doesn't say chili con carne, but this has less spice in it than an actual chili con carne mix. Strange but true. And these are the hot dogs that we use. They're huge. He also bought the buns, so I don't need to worry about that. But I have to get this done in 5 minutes. Ish. It's going to be a little bit more this morning, probably 10 minutes. And if you want to see the full thing, you're going to have to go on the female sheep tube. I'm just saying. My account's the same over there as it is over here. I mean, there's more of it. Anyway, let's get started. This will be the short version. Ish. Okay, so I'm going to use this thing, which means that I can put it on the saute session. So we're going to do that and we're going to get it going now because it takes a while to heat up. I'm also going to add some of my homemade butter because I can. Do it. Bloop. That's in. Oof. Right. Dice your onions. Dice them. Dice them. Now, probably don't do them like everybody else. I don't care. This is how I do them. And I have done them forever. The reason I do them this way is because I find the other way very, very wasteful. I'm just saying. In the pot. Straight away in the pot. Done. That's going to take 5 minutes to heat up. I'm going to go and see if I can find some clothes to put on while that's doing that, because yeah, that would be a good idea. I did it. Okay, so this is taking a minute, which is fine because now we're going to get rid of these. Get rid of them. Get rid of them. You don't need them anymore. Listen, you're not going to attack me. Good job. Right. And we're going to bring this forward. Okay. And then I'm going to get the mince out. Maybe I did need you for a minute. It's like 500 grams of mince. Not that much. Ugh. But this will be enough for chili dogs for like family of 4, probably 6, maybe 8, depending on, you know, what else you're having. And just want to break up the mince. I use one of these because the other thing's weird. Just looks like an odd shaped potato masher. I've got enough things that I can mash these things with. I mean, you can even do this with a fork. We used to do it with a fork and a wooden spoon. When I was a kid, so because these things hadn't been invented yet, I'm just saying. Right. It's going to take a couple of minutes to brown off. That's fine. But what you can do while that is happening is put your spice packet in. If you are smart enough to have actually made your own, use that. That's fine. I normally do. But I haven't made any new and we're out. And I'm not making any more because I'm moving. That will do. Right. And that's literally done. So, next, I'm going to add in our chili bean base. Yum, yum, yum. Oof. And the other one. Now, if like Tanny and I, you're only using this hot dogs, that's fine. But we're also going to have this later in the week with rice, apparently, because that's what he wants. So that's fine. You can have that. Now I am going to slacken that off a bit with some of my tomato paste stuff. You know what we're going to do now? Because we are. We're going to put a lid on that. Oh, sod. Get out the way. Out the way. Ah. So far, this thing's been on for 9 minutes and 24 seconds. Very useful, because it tells you how long it took, right? So now we're going to stop it. And we're going to put it on slow cook. And we're going to turn it on. And now we're going to get on with the rest of our day. So 10 minutes that took. And we got dressed in the middle of it. It's not a hardship prepping dinner. It doesn't have to be. You just have to be a smidge organised. and sorted. And if you don't have these, go and get some 3-bean mix. Get some 3-bean mix. If you want to use a chili con carne seasoning packet, use a chili con carne seasoning packet. If you haven't got a tomato on hand, get some cheap store brand sauce. Not the fancy shit. It's not worth the money. It tastes like crap. It really does. Which is why I started making my own. You know? You got this. Doesn't have to be fancy. That can go all day. I can go out and leave that doing its own thing for the next 6 hours, and I don't have to worry about it because it's not going to catch or not going to burn. But it's going to do its own thing, and I can go about my day, and all this has taken me is 10 minutes of my time. So go and do it. Seriously, it's not that hard. All we have to do when we get home is heat up the hot dogs and butter some rolls. Yes, we butter ours because butter is needed on bread. Now get out of here. I want my coffee.